Howdy, my name is Cami Marhar, and I'm the Assistant Director of Mentoring here at the Career Center at Texas A&M. Today we will be walking through how to complete the Aggie Mentor Network sign-up process. First things first, go to your email, whether that's Gmail, Outlook, or Yahoo, and look for an email from no-reply@cronus.com. Click on the button that says Accept and Sign Up, or click on the link that says Click Here. If you are new to the program or need to create a new account, you can either select the email or LinkedIn option. If you select the email option, it'll ask you to submit a password, confirm that password, and click Sign Up. If you select the LinkedIn option, this will allow you to sign into the platform utilizing your LinkedIn credentials, so you don't have to remember another password. Let's go with the LinkedIn option. Once you click on the LinkedIn button, a pop-up will appear asking for your LinkedIn credentials. Insert your LinkedIn credentials and then click Sign In. After that, you will then agree to allow LinkedIn and the Aggie Mentor Network to communicate with one another. And then agree to the terms and conditions of the network. Once you click Sign Up, the system will drop you into your profile where you will fill all of your profile questions out. At the very end, you click the Save and Proceed button, and then the Aggie Mentor Network will drop you off into your homepage. And there you have it. You will have completed the sign-up process. Check out our other tutorials in the description box below, and thank you for watching.